In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable Bitmoji and Mojitok on your Samsung Galaxy A14. So first, open Settings, and under Settings, scroll down until you find General Management. Tap on that. Next, scroll down, and assuming you're using the default keyboard, select Samsung Keyboard Settings. And here, you should look for the option Select Third-Party Content to Use. Next, a list of all apps or features you can add to your keyboard will appear. You should see the option Bitmoji and Mojitok. So tap on the two goals next to them to enable them. And when you go to your keyboard, say on a note, and then you tap on where you want to write. Select this three-dotted menu icon here and look for the option Bitmoji, and then scroll until you find Mojitok. So let's use a Bitmoji first. So in order to use Bitmoji, you would have to have downloaded the app. And if you want to use Mojitok, simply go back to Mojitok and then select one you would like to use. You can add something like that or like that. It all depends on what you want. If you don't want to use those features, go back to Settings, General Management, Samsung Keyboard Settings, select Third-Party Content to Use, and then tap on the toggles to turn them off. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.